Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore, and in today's episode we will be learning about the Indian balsam plant, or it is also called the Impatiens Balsamina. So it is an annual plant and it is a native of India, Burma and Bangladesh. So the conditions that it adapts to are the conditions that are available in these regions. So it is mainly grown obviously for its beautiful flowers. The flowers, the color ranges from purples to pinks to dark reds to orange to white. So these are the different colors that are available. There are varieties that have mixed coloring as well, so those are very pretty to look at. So why has it derived the name Impatiens is because of the way the seed pods behave. So as you can see, it is completely filled with lot of seed pods, but I do not have any ripe seed pod to show you why it is called Impatiens. But just to give you an example, if this was a ripe seed pod and you just give it a small touch, and what will happen is the seeds will erupt, as in that very eruption or that motion generally has given rise to the name Impatiens. So like these plants are really impatient to grow, and these grow really very quickly, as in a week's time the seed sprouts out a new sapling. So probably just because of this, then the plant has received the name Impatiens. So as you can see, they have a very translucent stem. So in my biology classes when I was a kid, my teachers used to tell us to get a stem cutting of these balsam plants to show the capillary motion of water and nutrients. So we used to dip it in a red ink and then see the movement of that red ink through the leaves and the stems. So it was a wonderful science experiment as well. So apart from that, the conditions that it requires is full sun. So Impatiens generally are known to be shade loving plants, but this plant really does well when it is under full sun. But if you are in an area like Rajasthan or any of the northern parts of India where you get blazing sunlight, then please give it some kind of protection because the leaves might get charred. But since Bangalore has very moderate climates, it is very ideal to keep it under full sun in Bangalore. If you keep it in partial shade, you will get flowers, but not as much. You will definitely get flowers here and there, but it will not be this prolific. So it is very important. Sunlight is very important for this particular Impatiens, and a complete shade would definitely give out only leaves. Do not expect flowers at all. And the other thing is it likes well-drained soil, so give it a lot of organic matter. It loves organic and rich soil. And fertilize it maybe once a month. That is enough. So it is an annual anyway, so it is going to die. So as you can see that there are already two plants that are here. So these have been grown from the seeds that fell down from the seed pods. And the other thing is that watering, you need to give it consistent watering. It has to be watered daily. Even if you feel that okay, this is a succulent, it is really not, because it just has water stored in it. But if it does not receive water in the summers, it will wilt, and if it does not receive water at all, then it will die. So please do not underwater it, as well as do not overwater it as well, because the chances of infection are high. So these are pest resistant most of the time. Here and there you see small mealy bugs, but that is okay. But generally these are pest resistant. And the other thing is, I have seen some fungal infection, some black spots on the leaves, but these are the only diseases that I've ever seen, but it's quite rare is what I can tell you. And the other thing is that so we have spoken about soil, we've spoken about water, we've spoken about sunlight, and the propagation is with the help of the seeds. So I think that is it. So if you have any queries regarding this balsam plant, then please do write in the comment section and let me know. Till then, happy gardening, and do subscribe to Urbanscape Bangalore.